Hey, Charlie. Is Mommy home?
Mommy.
You think it's Mommy? Yeah.
You riding your bike? Really? It is a wallet. I didn't know you knew that one. It's not yours, it's Mommy's. Yeah. Did you have fun with Daddy? It is a wallet. Oh, a water. Is that what you're saying?
Keys.
And keys. Yeah. Wallet, water, and keys. How's your bike? Did you have fun with Daddy? Did you guys play hockey?
Oh, yeah. Lots of hockey.
I see you had a bat. Was it with the ball? Yeah, you like the ball over the puck.